Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove Gmail account access for websites and apps. This is necessary to protect your personal information and enhance your account security by ensuring that only trusted applications have access to your data. So if this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. First of all, open your web browser. And here you have to type on the address bar myaccount.google.com. After that, press on enter and normally click on go to Google account, and here you have to log in with your email and password. So I'm gonna log in here. And after that, on the left sidebar, click on security. And normally scroll down to the section labeled third-party apps with account access. Click on See All Connections. And here you will see a list of apps and websites with access to your account. Click on the app or website you wish to remove. So normally I'm choosing this website. And after that, click on Delete all connections that you have with that website. Click on Confirm. And that's it. So, regularly reviewing and removing access for untrusted or unused apps helps protect your personal data and information and prevents potential security breaches. So if this video helped you, please like, comment and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Allah Hafiz.